Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Google Drive to an external hard drive step by step clearly. Open your computer and ensure your external hard drive is connected. If necessary, power on the external hard drive. Next, launch your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. Sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once in Google Drive, locate the files or folders you want to transfer. To select a single file, click on it once. For multiple files, hold down the Control key or Command key on Mac and click on each file you want to transfer. If you wish to transfer an entire folder, right-click the folder and select Download. If you're downloading multiple files, you will see wait for the files to download, which may take a few moments depending on their size. Once the download is complete, find the downloaded files on your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. Open the folder where your downloaded files or folders are stored. Now, open the external hard drive by going to this PC or Finder, depending on your operating system. Drag and drop the downloaded files or folders from your computer to the external hard drive window. Make sure the transfer process is complete before disconnecting the external hard drive. To safely disconnect, right-click on the external drive icon and select Eject or use the Eject option on your computer. After the drive is successfully ejected, you can now physically disconnect it from your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.